Hello everyone, welcome to this fun and adorable crochet bee tutorial. This little bee is perfect as a cute decoration, a keychain, or even a sweet gift for someone special. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned crocheter, I'm so excited to guide you through this project step by step. Let's create something buzzing with charm together. If you enjoy this tutorial, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more crochet goodness. Ready? Let's get started. For round 1, we're starting with a magic ring using light yellow yarn. Work 6 single crochets into the ring, then pull it tight. That's it, 6 single crochets. You've got this, and it's the perfect foundation for our bee. Tip: keep your tension even to make a nice, tight circle. Next, for round 2, we're increasing. Do 6 increases, that's 2 single crochets in each stitch from the last round. By the end, you'll have 12 stitches. Awesome job! You're already growing this little bee. Tip: use a stitch marker to keep track of your first stitch. It'll save you time. For round 3, we'll mix it up. Do a single crochet, then an increase, and repeat that 6 times around. You'll end up with 18 stitches. Look at that. Our bee's body is taking shape. Keep going, you're doing amazing. Tip: count your stitches after each round to stay on track. Moving to round 4, here's the pattern. Single crochet, increase, single crochet, and repeat that 6 times. You'll finish with 24 stitches. Wow, it's growing so fast. You're a crochet rock star. Tip: relax your hands if they're feeling tense. Smooth stitches come from a comfy grip. For round 5, let's do 3 single crochets, then an increase, repeating that 6 times. That brings us to 30 stitches. Fantastic work. This is the widest part of our bee. You're halfway there, so keep that energy up. Tip: check that your increases line up nicely for a round shape. Round 6 is super simple, just 30 single crochets all the way around, still in light yellow. You're in the groove now. This round is all about consistency. Great job sticking with it. Tip: keep your stitches snug to avoid gaps. For rounds 7 to 9, switch to dark brown yarn and work 30 single crochets for each round. 3 rounds total. These stripes are what make our bee so cute. You're doing wonderfully, and it's really coming together. Tip: when changing colors, pull the new yarn through gently to avoid loose ends. For rounds 10 to 12, switch back to light yellow and do 30 single crochets per round. Another 3 rounds. Look at those perfect stripes. You're crushing it, and our bee is looking so lively. Tip: keep an eye on your stitch count to stay at 30. Round 13 is back to dark brown with 30 single crochets. This is the last straight round, and you're so close to finishing the body. Amazing effort. Your bee is buzzing with personality already. Tip: take a quick stretch if you need it. You deserve it. For round 14, we're starting to decrease. Do 3 single crochets, then a decrease, and repeat that 6 times. You'll end with 24 stitches. You're shaping the bee's body now. Great work. Tip: make sure your decreases are tight to avoid holes. Round 15, single crochet, decrease, single crochet, repeat 6 times. That brings us to 18 stitches. You're doing so well. This part can feel tricky, but you've got it. Tip: pull your yarn a little tighter on decreases for a smooth finish. Now let's make the wings, 2 of them in white yarn. Start with a magic ring, then work. 2 single crochets, 2 half double crochets, 1 double crochet, 1 treble crochet, 1 double crochet, 2 half double crochets, and 2 single crochets. Slip stitch to close. Wow, these wings are so dainty. You nailed it. Tip: keep your stitches loose for a soft, fluttery look. For the antennae, make 2 in dark brown, chain 5, then turn back and work 2 single crochets followed by 3 slip stitches. So quick and cute. You're a pro at this. Tip: leave a long tail for sewing them onto the body later. Before we move on, let's pause and stuff our bee. Grab some fiber fill and gently stuff the body, making sure it's firm but not overstretched. Take your time here. It's what gives our bee that cute, plump look. You're so close to the finish line. For round 16, it's single crochet, decrease repeated 6 times, leaving you with 12 stitches. The body's closing up now. Fantastic job sticking with it. Tip: keep your hook moving smoothly to maintain even tension. Round 17. Work 6 decreases, that's 2 stitches together, 6 times down to 6 stitches. You're sealing it up now and it's looking adorable. Amazing effort. Tip: use the tip of your hook to push any extra stuffing in as you go. For round 18, do 3 decreases to close it off. You did it, the body is complete. Cut the yarn, pull it through, and weave in the end. Give yourself a big cheer. You've just made an adorable bee body. Tip: use a yarn needle to hide that tail neatly. And there you have it, your very own crochet bee. Sew on the wings and antennae, and maybe add some eyes if you'd like. I'm so proud of you for crocheting along with me. This little bee is buzzing with love. If you love this tutorial, please like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share your bee with me in the comments. Happy crocheting, and I'll see you in the next one.